Slow chatbot response times stem from several factors. First, analyze performance data to identify whether the problem lies in the chatbot's knowledge base, processing power, or design. Improve response times by optimizing the chatbot's training data, expanding its knowledge base with frequently asked questions and product information, and employing NLP for better understanding of user intent. Streamline the chatbot's design with clear language and simple options, prioritizing frequently asked questions with automated responses and quick replies. Consider upgrading to an AI-powered chatbot for enhanced natural language processing and learning capabilities. Ensure adequate server capacity to handle peak traffic and integrate the chatbot with CRM systems and other support tools for seamless data flow and efficient issue resolution. Remember that continuous performance analysis, user feedback, and adjustments are important for maintaining optimal chatbot responsiveness.